Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can monetize TikTok account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead. First of all, you need to open up. When you go to your profile, you need to make sure that you have 10,000 followers at least. With this, you will simply be able to access TikTok's native feature like the creator reward program. You need to have 10,000 followers, and your video views needs to have over 1 lakh in the last 30 days, and your regional eligibility as well. So because your account needs to be in the country where TikTok allows creators to be paid, like USA and UK. If you are from that country, you need to have over 10,000 followers. Then what you need to do is afterwards you will have creators reward programs where you will be able to pay for qualified views on your videos. And you can also create a TikTok shop for creators where you can sell your products or promote products to get money. You can also get money from live. You can go live. You need to have 1,000 followers for that. Once you go live, you will be able to receive gifts from the people. You can also cash them. And then sponsorship and brand deals are one thing which you will do in a collaboration. It depends on your online presence, and that's how you will be able to make money on TikTok. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.